for 20 years now, say 1999, when the second phase or the second start of the Biafran struggle began. You know, Biafra existed way back before Nigeria came into existence, about a little over 100 years ago. In the Portuguese map of Africa, drawn in 1492, there was a vast area named Biafra. Some spell it as Bafara, some spell it as Biafara. That is in the map that covered a vast area, the whole of what we today call Cameroon, the whole of what we today call Togo, even some parts of Ghana. Just if you get that, you are able to get that ancient map, you will see it. It's a vast area. And it was, we are not the ones that named it. It was the Portuguese